Welcome to Referral-leads, the show designed for business owners and marketers eager to accelerate growth through referral marketing and viral giveaway campaigns. I'm Sanita. Today, we're exploring a powerful giveaway format I call Mini Mastery. This approach offers short learning rewards unlocked by referrals, qualifying entrants, and transforming sharing into genuine pipeline growth. Imagine two inboxes. One fills with names of those who entered for a cheap gadget but never opened your email. The other fills with individuals who unlocked a 5-minute template, used it, shared it with a colleague, and returned to make a purchase. Notice the big difference. This contrast highlights the opportunity behind mini mastery giveaways. Attract learners, not lurkers. In this episode, we will explore 3 common challenges that hinder organic lead growth. You'll learn practical rules to create a mini mastery giveaway that effectively filters for intent. Plus, we'll provide a step-by-step plan to launch your giveaway within days, all without spending on paid ads. By the end, you'll have a comprehensive checklist to build a referral engine that generates higher quality purchase-ready leads. Challenge 1. Inconsistent lead quality. Many giveaways attract a flood of entries, but most participants never engage again. Why is that? Prizes often attract bargain hunters instead of genuine buyers. The solution: mini mastery. Instead of offering a physical prize, provide a short outcome-focused lesson. Think of a 5 to 10 minute mini course, a ready-to-use template, or a checklist that delivers an immediate win. This simple shift accomplishes 2 key things. It screens for interest, as those who value the lesson are more likely to act on it, and it provides measurable engagement signals. Track view rates, completion rates, template downloads, and referral to conversion ratios. If 40% of entrants download and 20% of those complete the mini lesson, you've suddenly cultivated a warm audience worth nurturing. To enhance your entry flow, consider adding a simple pre-qualification question. This should be a quick, optional line that helps reveal the intent of your visitors. The goal is to initiate a conversation, not to exclude anyone. Gathering these signals will be invaluable for your follow-up efforts. And don't forget, metrics are crucial. Focus on measuring the costs per engaged lead instead of just per entry. Low sharing motivation can hinder referral growth. Discounts and generic prizes often feel transactional. Share for a discount and that's it. To create referrals that snowball, we need to tap into intrinsic motivation, progress, status, and clear value for the referee. Mini Mastery leverages progress as a motivator. Each referral unlocks the next lesson or a progressively better template. This approach appeals to people's desire to learn and improve, providing them with something meaningful to share that also benefits the recipient. To enhance this experience, make the unlocks visible. Show a progress bar, name the milestones, and celebrate achievements. When someone reaches 5 referrals, reward them with a short badge they can proudly share on social media. Unlock the power of our mini lesson and see real results. Here's what our learners are saying. I implemented the strategies and saved so much time. Another learner shared, this mini lesson helped me land my first client. When you share, you're not just getting a discount, you're unlocking the advanced template that saves you 3 hours of work. Experience the benefits and join our community of successful learners today. Challenge 3. Post-giveaway drop-off. Many campaigns peak on day 1 and then fade away. To maintain momentum, implement micro-onboarding. This involves delivering immediate small wins, followed by a series of micro-lessons. Each lesson should be action-focused, offering one simple task to try right now. Send a concise email featuring a single step, a downloadable template, and an invitation to refer others to unlock the next step. This strategy keeps the relationship alive, gathers engagement data, and creates natural opportunities for sharing. Welcome to our mini lesson series. After you complete lesson 1, we'll tag you as engaged in our CRM. This means we recognize your commitment and want to hear from you. Expect a short testimonial request to share your thoughts. Once you've shared your feedback, we'll present an exciting upgrade opportunity. Join our live workshop or participate in an exclusive Q&A session with limited seats available. Remember, we use scarcity for advanced content, ensuring you feel valued and trusted from the start. Get ready to unlock even more valuable insights. First, choose the right mini mastery asset. Make it specific, outcome-oriented, and consumable in under 10 minutes or as a single template. Second, map referral thresholds. For example, 1 referral unlocks lesson 1, 3 unlocks lesson 2, and 7 unlocks a live Q&A slot. Keep thresholds achievable so progress feels real. Third, integrate your giveaway software with email automations. Use native webhooks or a tested platform with built-in tagging to avoid technical friction. Fourth, produce content fast. Record a 5-minute screen walk, create 1 template, and write 3 short emails. Use your phone and a simple editor. Quality matters, but speed matters more at launch. To mitigate common risks, first, if users unlock content but don't engage, consider shortening the lesson and adding a 1-question follow-up that asks about their results. Second, if integration leads to dropouts, conduct an end-to-end test with 5 friends before the official launch. Lastly, if your audience desires tangible prizes, combine a small physical incentive such as a discount code or a branded ebook with the educational unlock. This hybrid approach effectively caters to both prize seekers and learners. And this week, let's focus on actionable steps to boost your referral strategy. First, pick a single outcome-focused mini lesson or template to guide your efforts. Next, design 3 referral milestones, along with a reward for each milestone to motivate participants. Then build an entry page and set up automation to ensure referrals update tags in your CRM seamlessly. After that, create a 3-email drip campaign that delivers valuable lessons and encourages quick results. Finally, pretest the flow with 5 real users, gather feedback, and iterate based on their insights. Remember, launch small, learn fast, and scale what works. If you're looking for templates, a sample flow, and a tracking checklist to launch your first mini master giveaway on a budget, head over to www.referral-leads.com to get everything set up quickly. Thanks for tuning in to Referral Leads. I hope you gained actionable insights to grow your business through referral marketing and viral giveaways. Remember, the best growth comes from your own audience, and turning them into promoters is easier than you think. See you in the next episode.